Hi guys, Nathan from Clean Cruiser Project. We are here at Matt's house with a bunch of third member and differential parts from my 82 Land Cruiser 40 series. We tore it apart, Matt tore it apart, and we found a bunch of problems, so we're going to talk you through them. So, Matt, what's going on, Matt?
We have a few things going on. The half shaft bearings were worn and corroded, so we needed to get a replacement shaft.
So the 1982 axle shaft on the 40 series is not serviceable. This one off an earlier 40 series is serviceable.
Has a replaceable bearing and seal surface, which is a better design.
So how snazzy is that? Next,
being it's a 1982, that would mean it should have a fine spline pinion shaft, and then discovered that this is not. This is a 10 spline pinion shaft that would indicate it's an early differential. Discovering that the actual differential locker has impact marks would lend me to believe that the original ring and pinion failed. Crashed into that, and they put it together with a second-hand ring and pinion set, and it didn't look like it was set up right. It's got a weird pattern on it, so we're just going to use another third member that's unmolested.
unmolested.
You like that?
It's a family program.
It is.
So we got the third member from where?
Valley Hybrids, rebuild kit from Valley Hybrids, the axle shafts from Gary at Medrak Cruisers.
That guy's been great. Gary's super helpful.
And
Custom Cruisers.
Replacement Yukon Grizzly locker.
Thank you to Yukon. We called them up, and they have the Grizzly, which is
It's simple, reliable, and for the terrain they're dealing with, and dealing with snow or ice, where a true locker can be an issue. But
if I'm dealing with snow and ice in Costa Rica, planting trees isn't going to save us.
That's global freezing.
We're done.
And it's over.